In this lecture, I'm going to walk you through two different for each loops. Now remember, for each loops works on collections or arrays. So in the first example, if you take a look at the salesperson column, you have the salesperson's first initial, an underscore, and then their last name. Well, I actually want to change that. I want it to be their first initial, a period, a space, and then their last name. So using VBA, I'm going to tell Excel that I have a range that goes from A4 to A9. And within that range, each cell I'm going to call name cell. And I'll use the replace function to replace the underscore with a period and a space. So for each name cell in my range, replace the underscore with a period and a space. Let me switch over to the VBE to show you how that will work. All right, so the first thing that I want Excel to do is I want to take a look at each cell. So I am going to declare, and again I'll call it name cell. I'm going to declare that as an object. Then I'll start my for each statement. So I'll say for each name cell that's in the range of A4 through A9, and before I tell VBA exactly what to do, I'll actually add in a few lines and put in my next, and I can just leave it as next, or I could type in next name cell. All right, so now I'll go back up, and what do I want to have happen for each of those cells within that range? Well, again, I wanted to replace the underscore with a period and a space. So I'll be changing the value of each of those cells. So I will type in name cell dot value is going to be assigned, and then I'll use my replace function. I'm going to replace what is now in name cell dot value with what? What am I looking to find? I'm looking to find an underscore, and because this is text here, I need to surround it with double quotes. So I'm looking for the underscore, and I'm going to replace that with a period and a space. All right, let me go ahead and close my parentheses, and that's it. So I've declared each cell as an object, and I'm saying for each of those cells in A4 through A9, replace the underscore with a period, and then put that value into what is currently the cell's value. Then go on to the next cell within that range. All right, let's test it out to see how it works. I'm going to switch back over to Excel. You can take a look again at the salesperson's column. Right now it has the underscore. I'll click on this button here titled Fix Name, and you can see it got rid of the underscore and added in that period. And it only did that for each cell in that range.